Like I said, I'm here for you tonight. If you want to keep going, I will keep going tonight. What's up? If you want to keep going, I will keep going tonight.
Virgil and IKEA profits were low last week, but the numbers moved faster than Drake on his way out of Camp Flognaw. We began this week with streetwear and the long-awaited collaboration between Virgil Abloh and IKEA. We've sold over 5,000 items from the collection, including almost 2,000 of the best-selling wall clocks. But price premiums on the capsule were surprisingly low, just 18% above retail on average, way less than what you'd expect from a Virgil collab. But then again, there were over a dozen pieces, so not everything can be profitable. Now, another streetwear standout is Supreme's collaboration with the North Face. The drop posted major numbers both in volume and price premiums. And while last week wasn't quite as live, the release had fans copping camp caps for resale like it's 2011 and Tyler just dropped Yonkers. Capping off this crazy week was Palace's long-awaited collaboration with the Italian soccer team Juventus. Now, when Palace looks into that crystal ball, they only pick winners. When they worked with Angelique Kerber in 2018, she won Wimbledon. And now it's on Ronaldo and the Juventus squad as they beat Genoa last week wearing the kits. The white jersey was the most popular with almost 200 sold, but the most profitable was that Cristiano Ronaldo jersey, which flipped for a high of $900 to the sneaks. But look, people, I need to talk to James Jebbia. Somebody get Jebbia on the phone, speed dial, because if he thought people would spend $500 on an Air Max 95. $500, James? I literally can't think of anything more ridiculous. Supreme's latest sneaker collaboration with Nike has to be the biggest flop in all of Supreme Nike history. Now, whenever the two came together before, the shoes wouldn't even have time to breathe. People camping out in front of the store, starting riots, and then flipping them for way over retail. But after last week's release, there weren't any tents, no stampedes, and definitely no price flips. Not only have the shoes been sitting on Supreme's site, which is almost unheard of, but they aren't moving on our site either. Take a look at release week sales numbers for past Nike Supreme collabs. We sold over 3,000 of the Supreme SB Dunks and over 1,000 of the Comme des Garçons Air Force Ones in the first few weeks. But we sold just 28 of the Air Max 95s this past week. And price premiums, they were low too, with the black pair going for just 20% over retail. What is going on? Now, don't get us wrong, okay? The shoes have that premium Italian leather going for it. It's a nice touch. And it could be a potential high market shoe in the future. Who knows? Only time will tell. But all we know is, right now, the price primo is molto brutto. Google it. Remember when we thought the Dallas Mavericks were doomed without Dirk Nowitzki? Well, have no fear, folks, because it looks like Luka Doncic is the hero the Mavs have been waiting for. The Slovenian savior has been putting up crazy numbers, and his stats on the court have upped his card value on StockX. The Doncic Panini Prism Silver rookie card was selling for less than $300 back before the season started. But last week, it climbed as high as $1,200. And the way Luka's been playing, this card is definitely one to look out for. Step back to the week ahead. We're in for a major treat this weekend because it's a battle between three of the biggest names in sneakers: Virgil, Travis, and the man himself, Mr. West. Virgil is back like Jordan 95, aiming to take back his throne with the release of the Nike Vapor Street Off-White in 3 different colors. But will his return be enough to overthrow Travis Scott? Maybe or maybe not, because Jack is set to drop the highly anticipated Air Force One Low Cactus Jack on Saturday. Let's not forget about their daddy, Father Kanye. He's teamed up with the 3-stripe gang to debut a brand new silhouette, the Yeezy Boost 380 Alien. Go cop this extraterrestrial heat, and we'll see who reigns supreme next week. As for streetwear, Supreme ain't playing with you hype beasts after seeing their Week 12 drop list. This week consists of Rimowa suitcases, puffy coats, pins, and more. Alas, be on the lookout for the new off-white women's tracksuit on StockX. And if you happen to find yourself in France this week, we'll be hosting an exhibition in Paris from November 15th through November 17th. We've teamed up with Colette founder Sarah Andelman to explore the cultural themes that shape the city. So stop by and say salute. Last but not least, shout out to this week's Market Watch Comment of the Week winner from our friend on Billy _madness_. Now, Madness, do I look like someone that lies? I'll answer no. Here's some StockX credit. Thank me later. That's all for this week. For more StockX market insights, like and subscribe to us here. Follow StockX on Instagram and Twitter. And if you plan to cop any of this heat that we speak this weekend, let us know one in the comments below. We'll be sure to show you some love. 3-stripe grain to debut a brand new silhouette, the Yeezy Booster. That daddy shit too hard. That shit too hard. Don't forget about they daddy.